Looking for a relaxing backyard retreat? The Garden Collection is for you. It's made up of easy-to-build, no-cut block projects, including a planter ring, 2 different height planters, a bench, and a pergola. All of these projects are sold separately and can be used as a standalone project or combined together to create your perfect backyard garden oasis. Each of these projects can be built without cutting a single block, making them a perfect DIY project. It's simple. Just prepare and level the foundation per the instructions, or start on a stable and level patio. Then follow the detailed layer-by-layer instructions to stack and glue each layer of block to complete the project. Let's take a closer look at each of these projects. First, the Maplewood planter ring. This planter ring features a 2-tier design with plenty of planting space. The outer ring is over 8 feet in diameter, and the smaller, elevated ring makes for a perfect space to highlight a garden feature. Build a patio around it like we've done here, or add it as a standalone feature in your yard to showcase your green thumb. The Plainfield Planter features 2 pillars on each side and a short wall that runs behind the planting area. It's a great addition to a planter garden or along the edge of a patio, as the tall columns help define the space and offer the perfect platform for potted plants and garden decorations. The Bade Planter is a raised planter that'll bring your garden area up nearly 2 feet off the ground. It's perfect for adding a little bit of height without blocking the view of the rest of your yard. The deep bays created by the blocks at the bottom of the planter add detail to the design and give the planter its name. The solid bench with the back is a great space to relax and enjoy your outdoor space. It combines treated lumber with our tumbled Belgian wall blocks to create an inviting bench, perfect for a garden, patio, or around a fire pit. These garden columns and pergola combine perfectly together to create a feature in your garden or patio. The added height from the pergola helps define your outdoor space and creates a great entrance over a walkway or a perfect, slightly shaded spot over a bench or a grill. Learn more about all of our no-cut block projects and patio options on menards.com/blockstore.